Morning students, I am Ashok, your educator. Today I am going to talk on genetics, the principle of inheritance and variation. So we'll talk about the principles of inheritance and variation. In this, today we are going to talk about the second law of inheritance. Which law? We are going to talk about the second law of inheritance, which is also known as law of segregation. लॉ ऑफ प्योरिटी ऑफ गैमेट्स, जिसका दूसरा नाम क्या है? लॉ ऑफ सेग्रीगेशन एंड लॉ ऑफ प्योरिटी ऑफ गैमेट्स भी कहा जाता है. इन वन ऑफ माय लेक्चर्स आई ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अबाउट द फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ Mendel's first law, which is known as law of dominance. Here we are going to talk about the law of segregation or law of purity of gametes. It's a very simple law. Since the exams are around the corner, I am going to make very small videos that those which are very important and जो बहुत important भी हैं और आप आराम से उसको समझ भी सकें. तो बच्चों, what happens जब भी जायगोट बनता है, we are aware of जायगोट कैसे बनता है कि जायगोट बनने से पहले there is fertilization. In fertilization what happens, by the process of gametogenesis and oogenesis, the number of chromosome gets halved. क्या हो जाता है? क्रोमोसोम की संख्या बच्चों आधी हो जाती है. आधे फैक्टर्स जो हैं मदर से आते हैं और आधे फैक्टर्स किधर से? फादर से आते हैं. तो व्हाट हैपेंस हियर इन द लॉ ऑफ सेग्रीगेशन, व्हाट दिस सेज कि ड्यूरिंग गैमेट फॉर्मेशन, when during gamete formation the unit factors of a pair segregate randomly and reaches to different gametes, like see here they separate. It is capital T, this is small t. Now what happened here, each gamete receives only one factor of a pair. जो गैमेट है उसको सिर्फ एक फैक्टर मिलता है, जिसको बाद में अपन ने जीन कहा गया था. मेंडल ने जीन का नाम फैक्टर दिया था. सो गैमेट्स आर प्योर for a particular trait. So इसीलिए what we want to say, gametes are pure for a particular trait and there is nothing like blending. उनमें कोई mixing या blending नहीं होती है. जैसे अपन देखें like here also allele देखें अपन T and T. After gametogenesis what happened? These will separate. Now what happened? It will meet with another one. दूसरे से मिलेगा. मान लीजिए the other one is like this one. See, the other can be like this. So what happened? Here also they will separate one T. Now this T can meet with this one or this one. This is random. Now so in short we can say that law of segregation or law of purity of gametes, each gamete receives only one factor of a pair, so gametes are pure for a particular trait. Now these techniques also NEET exam seriously. This question has been asked many times, like you are supposed to ask how many gametes will be formed, types of genotypes, number of gametes produced by the selfing of gene type. So what happens if you have to calculate type of gametes, that means phenotypic category is 2 raised to the power n. Type of genotype 3 raised to the power n. Number of gametes produced by selfing a genotype, so that is 4 raised to the power n. Now what's n? N is the number of hybrid characters or heterozygous pair. And suppose the heterozygous pair are 2, this will be 2 raised to the power 2. That means 4. It's 3, then 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that will come out to be 8. That similar way you can calculate this one or this one. So it's a very small topic, but it's very important. So I'm sure this second law of segregation must be clear. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please do share and subscribe. Thank you so much.